Hey guys, welcome back to SRT Learning, and this is Ankit Prajapati, and today we're gonna cover another questions in our playlist for TestNG related inter equations for QA automation engineer. So let's see what we have for today's. Okay, if priorities are set for a test method, how we can run in even numbers test cases first, and then yeah, I remember this one. This is one of the candidate that has faced the interviews. I think it was in TCS where they have asked this question. This is most of the times you do not require these kind of things in your framework as well, but they want to see how you think on logical base. Okay, do you have the in-depth knowledge about a few of the Java concept as well? So that is the reason they asked this question maybe. So he was not able to answer these questions, to be honest. He know the priority, how to set up the priority, but he don't know how you can combine the odd numbers priorities and even numbers priorities. And for that one he asked me, okay sir, I have certain like one screenshot kind of things where I can keep it with me, and whenever I can refer that things in my mobile, it will be easy for me to remember the concept and the syntax whatever we require. Okay, so I have created this video for that purpose only, guys. So let's see the answer. Okay, so first thing, see, if you need to use this particular word. Okay, I method interceptor. If you use this word, yes, we can achieve these things in TestNG using the I method interceptor, and this interface allow you to customize the order of test execution dynamically. So I method interceptor. So first things you need to remember this one. Okay, sometimes they will not ask you the syntax. If you answer, if they know, okay, you know about this concept, maybe you know the syntax as well. Okay, so I method interceptor you should remember when you are answering this question, guys. Now let's see how the syntax look like over here in this particular case. So you need to create one class. It says even or whatever the class name you can just, but you need to implement this interface I method interceptor. Okay, and there you need to create one list variable where you can intercept all the leads, the I method instance. You see, I method interceptor will have the I method instance and its context of the method. So both you need to take, and both you need to store in the list. So I just says I method instance even number of array list and odd number of array list. So I'm going to create a two list, and I will run the for loop for my method to get the instance. So I method instance methods, and I will run, and I will set up the odd even logic over here based on the priority. I will take the priority as an integer. So how you can take the priority? So method dot get priority. This will give the priority of specific method, and over here we are dividing based on the odd or even. If it is odd, then you will go to the odd over here. If it is even, then it is gonna add in even array list. Okay, so these two lists will be helpful to combine all the even and all the odd number over here. And this is the method dot get priority. This we gonna use to take the priority of this particular test case. Okay, and you know how we can set up the priority, like at the rate test, and in bracket we just says priority 1 or 2 or 3. So that integer value will become from method.get priority, guys. And once we have these two lists, okay, two array list, even list and odd list, what we can do, we gonna create this sort, we gonna sort those particular things. Okay, we can create, this is optional, either you can sort it or not, but I'm gonna sort it like 2 4 6 8 and 1 3 5 7 kind of things. And this is the syntax. You can use comparator. This is the Java concept, guys. This is the little bit advanced, but for this specific question you can remember this concept, and this particular syntax you can just say, and it just says even dot sort, and sort based on priority, sort by priority, and odd dot sort by priority. Okay, and this is how you can get the priority over here. M dot get method get priority, and you can sort accordingly over here. Okay, then combine even first and then odd. So how you can combine all the even first and odd first? So you will create a final order. You see the final order list, array list, and over here, so you just says final order dot add all. First you want to add even, then final order dot add all, then you need to add odd. Now suppose in interview says you want to run odd first, then you need to tickle this line. Okay, you need to says add all odd, then add all even. Okay, and return the final order. So this will return the final order for this particular method. Okay, Now, how you gonna use these things? So you're gonna use these things under testng.xml. Okay, you can register this interceptor in your testng.xml. So you just says listener class, and this is the E1 odd priority. This is the class name. You see E1 odd priority interceptor. You can call this class name over here, and in which test case you want to apply, you just say on this test case I want to apply. Okay, this particular E1 and odd number. So this is 1 2 3 4 steps. You can just go and answer like that way. I method interceptor you can use to do these things. Method dot get priority, this will help to get the priority of the any method that you have defined your test case. Then you can sort it. Okay, and based on sort you can add first even or first or based on your requirement. And once it is done, you can call this particular class in this particular listeners in testng.xml, guys. So if you just say, if you speak these four things, okay, this is also more than enough. Okay, they might be not ask you the syntax, because in your, I would just say in a framework as well, rarely you do certain things, guys. Okay, yeah. So if you like this video, if you like the way we present the things, okay, please subscribe to our channel. That will motivate our team to create such video, informative video. And sometimes you can also keep the screenshot. You can take a screenshot of the screen, okay, and you can keep in your mobile, so whenever you have the interview you can just quickly refer those things and answer accordingly, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, guys. Take care.